Hello, my name is Diego and I'm a PhD student at UZ in Lugano, Switzerland. This is a summary of our work studying exceptional tests, which are tests that exercise exceptions. Exceptions often signal faulty or undesired behavior. In Java, exceptions are often implicated in untyped patterns and are frequent sources of bugs. To find bugs, developers employ several strategies, including testing code. For instance, tests may target a successful execution of a method. They can also aim at catching corner cases, including when an exception is thrown. Indeed, as the JUnit team puts it, exercising exception is vital when testing code. However, this is not a straightforward test for Java developers. A 12-year-old popular and highly active question on Stack Overflow showcases multiple patterns used to assert on exceptions, which may depend on Java and JUnit versions, or the availability of libraries such as assert.j. With that in mind, we investigated exceptional tests. We define exceptional tests as tests that exercise exceptions. In our study, we considered those written using any version of JUnit. We wanted to investigate two questions. Do developers write exceptional tests, and what kind of exceptions do they test? Among other applications, we envisioned that looking closer at exceptional tests can help to reveal information on thrown exceptions and improve documentation. Let's see an overview of the projects we analyzed. We mined 1,157 popular open source Java projects hosted on GitHub. We found more than 1 million JUnit tests and 14 million lines of code. We then looked at exceptional tests and found them on 2/3 of the projects, with 1 in every 4 test classes having at least one exceptional test. However, only 13% of all tests are exceptional. We found a strong positive correlation between the number of tests and the number of exceptional tests that each project includes. When looking closer at the test exceptions, we first considered their origin. We saw that Java exceptions are only 6% of them, but they figure on 76% of all exceptional tests. We then considered the kind of the tested exceptions. We found that 60% are unchecked. They feature on 70% of all exceptional tests. Exceptions such as illegal argument exception and null pointer exception were among the most tested ones. Let's wrap it up with an example showcasing an exceptional test and its application. The snippet on the screen shows a test where a null pointer exception should be thrown. Unchecked exceptions, such as the null pointer exception, are the cause of many bugs in API misuses and Android apps, for instance. They are often insufficiently documented. Thus, we envision that exceptional tests can reveal helpful information for dealing with unchecked exceptions. Moreover, the same test found in a project Apache Hadoop could be used to improve the methods documentation. Java doc doesn't document that a null pointer exception could be thrown for parameter name. That's all for our short summary. To know more about our work, including much more details, the dataset, and tool used, please check our overview page. Thanks for watching.